Hello and welcome to the 18th episode of our Retreat to Love Masterclass series. We spent 17 days on my intent, my focus, my soul. But day 18 changes the math because our word for today is unity. Because the strongest individual pattern is just a single thread, you need a weave to make a garment. Unity isn't about being the same, it's about moving in the same direction. In music, a single note is a sound, but different notes working together create a symphony. If you want to go fast, go alone. If you want to go far, go together. Sounds familiar, right? Let me repeat again that quote. If you want to go fast, go alone. If you want to go far, go together. I challenge you today. Reach out to one person who thinks differently than you. Find the common ground. Build a bridge instead of a wall. We aren't just resonating, we are harmonizing. One rhythm, one goal. I'll see you tomorrow for the 19th episode of our Retreat to Love Masterclass series. Let's move together.